Good morning, Mrs. Caravan here. So it's been 2 weeks since we asked the question, what does a plant need? So let's see what's going on here. So here is my control bean plant, the one that I gave plenty of water and plenty of sunlight. Look how healthy that plant is. The leaves are big, it's getting a bunch of new leaves. It looks really healthy. And check out this corn plant. It's huge now. So the bean plant grew 4 centimeters and the corn grew 15 centimeters. It's huge. So those plants are doing awesome. They've got the perfect amount of sun and water. So these plants, I did not give any water. Look at this bean plant. I think 2 weeks of no watering has really hurt this plant. So this one didn't grow at all, and he's very wilted. And here's the corn plant. The corn plant did grow. It grew 10 centimeters. It's not quite as big as the other one, but it's pretty limp. It's pretty wilted. These leaves aren't standing up as strong as the other ones, so it's not doing as well. But it might be a little bit more tolerant to not having any water than the bean plant. Now here's the bean plant that I gave no sun, but it had some water. Look how tiny the leaves are compared to the control. Look how tiny. So the leaves haven't grown at all on this thing. It did get 2 centimeters taller, but those leaves haven't grown. And the corn plant that I actually ended up putting too much water in to begin with, it's dead now. It grew 1 centimeter over the past week, but it's rotted down at the bottom. I gave that too much water. So that's the effect of too much water. Too much water is also a bad thing. And the bean plant that had no sun and no water is all wilted also. So that's not doing too well either. And that actually shrunk a 1/2 centimeter, so the lack of water and sun made this one actually shrink a little bit because those leaves are all wilted and the stems are all wilted. So that one has actually shrunk. And then here's the corn plant with no water and no sun. This one still grew 7 centimeters, but look at the color compared to this one. Look how yellow it is. So the no sun is making it yellow. It's not able to make its food with the chlorophyll because there's no sun for it. So it's turning yellow compared to the nice healthy plant, and it barely grew. It only grew 7 centimeters, whereas the control grew 15. So it didn't grow as much at all. So that is 2 weeks of our experiment, and I think we got some good results. Hopefully you guys got results too. I'm going to go plant these in my garden now.